Hey, thanks for tuning in. On today's episode of the Bondo Brothers, we're going to install Wild Horses disc brake kit on a Dana 30. It's a Chevrolet kit, works really well. Stay tuned, show you some tips and some tricks. Whoa, let's get busy. Whoa! One hub, one brake drum. Off. Alright, it's time to take the spindle off. One spindle. Remove. When installing the Wild Horses disc brake conversion kit using the Chevrolet brakes, you must grind this nub off right here. If you don't, the caliper will not have sufficient movement in and out because it's a floating caliper. Tip for the day. Whoa! All ground off. Time for the seal. Wipe a little grease on it, just so you know it rides good, and put some on the seal area and all over the spindle so it doesn't rust.
Especially you guys on the East Coast where you got a lot of water. Around that, it never rains, so weathermen talk about it 24/7, but nothing ever happens. Okay, trying to install the rotor. Check one thing first.
Okay, got a little ahead of myself. Usually you'll have to file or sand the bearing surface where the bearing goes on. And all these new spindles. Don't know why, but that's the way I found it. And that goes for the brand new Bronco spindles or these Chevy spindles. Just use a little emery cloth, 180. Check it with the old bearing. Not quite yet.
Here we go. Boom. Bearing. Make sure you put the right spindle nut on first. Okay, it's not it. There, like to save it. Give it a spin. And back it off. Tight. Okay, back it off toward the turn. You want at least one full rotation. Alright, sweet. On to the next step. Be back in a minute.
That was it. Doesn't take that long. Just need a few tools. Snap ring pliers. I already forgot. Whoa. There it is. Wild Horses disc brake kit installed.